Come here, son, nephew, young man. Let me holler at you. Let's apply some black history critical thinking. Let me give you some information if you're a person who seeks information and understanding, or at least enjoys rhetoric around said topics. Did you know that gun control laws, and nobody should be mad at me as an educator, we're only talking history, right? We're talking politics, U.S. government, right? Anyhow, did you know that gun control legislation, the first instance of gun control legislation in America, came in California? That's no surprise. But it was as a result of the Black Panther Party and their efforts to police their own communities and to exercise their Second Amendment rights. You know, the Constitution, if used properly and you use the political process properly, but let's also be fair and balanced, if it's implemented properly, which doesn't always happen, it's something that you can use to understand how the country works and to make sure that your pursuit of life, liberty, and happiness is indeed upheld. So why is it then that so many black folks are okay with gun control and okay with being unarmed? You don't see anybody else in this country who's screaming to disarm themselves. As a matter of fact, since we're talking about black history and the Black Panther Party, co-founder of the Black Panther Party, Huey P. Newton, made a quote which said, "An unarmed man is subject to slavery." An unarmed man is subject to slavery. Shucks, we were, for the most part, unarmed, or at least outgunned in Africa, and we were subject to slavery. And now we want to be disarmed. Make it make sense. But for people who got sense, exercise your Second Amendment rights. You're fully within the bounds of the law. Learn what those laws are and exercise your rights, because you are a U.S. citizen. And as always, never lose the will to win and never lose the will to survive.